Welcome to our central spine staircase installation guide. We'll walk you through the complete process from start to finish. Here we begin with the empty space where our beautiful staircase will soon stand. Notice how we've prepared the area for installation, ensuring proper measurements and clearance. Now let's take a closer look at the crucial connection points. On our phone, you can see the detailed joins and fixings that will ensure a strong, secure structure. These precision-engineered connections are what make our central spine design both elegant and sturdy. The first major step is installing the central spine, the backbone of the entire staircase. This is the most critical component as it bears the load of the entire structure. We carefully position and secure it to the floor and upper level, ensuring perfect alignment and stability. With the spine firmly in place, we begin installing the steps one by one. Each tread is precisely attached to the central spine, creating the walking surface of our staircase. Notice how each step is perfectly level and securely fastened. And securely fastened. After all steps are installed, we move on to the glass balustrades. These not only provide safety, but also add a contemporary open feel to the staircase design. The glass panels are carefully positioned and secured to maintain clean sightlines throughout the space. Next, we attach the handrails, enhancing both the safety features and the aesthetic design of the staircase. The handrails are precisely positioned at the optimal while complementing the overall modern look of the installation. Finally, we install the caps using the clue we put is right here and finishing elements, which protect the edges and add a polished look to our installation, completing the staircase assembly. And there you have it, our central spine staircase installation is complete. From an empty space to a stunning architectural feature that combines functionality, safety, and elegant design.